Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live, and we've made it through Mother's Day weekend. Want to thank everyone that came down to the Texas Crab Festival for that. We've made it through the next weekend with some closed doors down here, and now we're heading into Memorial Day weekend. And I tell you what, this is a great weekend for family, friends, and fun here on the Upper Texas Coast Bolivar Peninsula. But when it comes to filling that belly, curing that craving, Jose's Cajun Seafood and Steakhouse is the place to be. You know, I've known Jose and his family for years and years, watched the kids grow up. In fact, Maria and I were talking about it the other day, how young she was whenever I met the family here on Bolivar. Actually, when they worked, I believe Jose was cooking at Steve's Landing, if you can remember that. And so, but Memorial Day weekend's a special weekend, not only for friends and family and the beach, but also Jose's, and they do have some great food here at Jose's. I don't have the specials yet, but I can tell you, I imagine they're gonna have their boiler platter, which is a favorite of mine. If I come in here, and especially if Chris is with me, I can guarantee you that we're probably going to get the boiler platter, especially if it's on a Thursday or a Friday, because there's enough there actually for 2 people, but usually we'll add in a couple extra pounds of crawfish, because being married to a Cajun woman, she loves her crawfish. So, but I love the boiled shrimp on it. Someone asked me the other day, what's one of my favorite dishes here? And I tell you what, a lot of times for lunch, I'll come in and have the grilled fajita chicken taco salad. I love it. Great fresh vegetables in it, grilled, the grilled chicken, and then the sour cream and queso that comes with it. But I try and leave the shell, not always. But anyway, everyone, Team Bolivar invites you down, Jose's invites you down to Memorial Day weekend 2025 here on the Upper Texas Coast Bolivar Peninsula. And for more information on Bolivar Peninsula, or to see it live anytime through our 11 live webcams, please visit BolivarPeninsulaTexas.com. We're gonna head on out. Remember, if you see the Bolivar Live truck on the beach Memorial Day weekend, make sure you flag us down, jump up and down, wave your arms, and ask us what's free today. We're gonna have koozies, cups, t-shirts, and more until we run out. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. Come explore Bolivar Peninsula in 2025. God bless, and bye-bye. Video equipment is sponsored by Crystal Beach Decor and More, located at 1959 Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas, and Beachy Beatnik Boutique and Jewelry, located at 970 Surfside and Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas. Thank you to these 2 businesses for being our 2025 video equipment sponsor for Bolivar Live.